Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss a new video or a live stream, and give me a big thumbs up at the end of the video. Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl CheKesha Simms of Her Lovely Plan, and I am here with a Happy Mail haul. I haven't done one of these probably in maybe about a month. So this is some of the packages. I have more. So I just want to kind of lay these out so the table wouldn't be plain. But anyway, I want to jump straight into this video because I have a lot of goodies to share with you. So if you want to see what I got in the mail, keep watching. It's from the Coffee Monster. This is my very first order. One of my good girlfriends, Michelle, she uses these all the time, and since I've been using my Hobonichi, I decided to get these because I thought they were really cute when you do your spreads. All right, so I got a whole lot of emojis. That's what they call these, and I think they are so cute. Little big head monsters. So you get this card, and what you do is you collect the little footballs, and once you have all of these filled in, you just will send a picture along with your order when you place your next order. And y'all know I like personal notes, and she said, "Thank you, CheKesha, XOXO Helen, and Papa Tata." And so this is the little freebie, and this is in honor of Avengers Endgame. As you can see, it says watch Endgame, and it has the little jewels that the bad guy was collecting. I can't think of his name right offhand. Then she has the die cut. She is so cute. Look like she's ready to go to Hawaii somewhere. And then I decided to get the little sticky note stickers. And again, because these will go perfectly in my Hobonichi. And then I got the working emoji. And this one says Valentine because it has the heart on there. But it's Valentine's Day every day. So I like these because this will just indicate when I may need to do some extra work or whatever I need to do. And you have a little bit of different sizes. The top row is slightly bigger, and then the rest of these are smaller. Then you know I had to get the coffee cup emoji because it wouldn't be a spread without a coffee cup. And in most of these sheets, the top one is just a little bit bigger and the rest of them are smaller. And then I got the laundry emojis because everybody knows I'm always talking about my pile of clothes that I need to fold. And this one right here and this one right here really looks like me. Well, how I think I look in the top of my head. But these are the little football things. Well, they're not really footballs, they're potatoes because this is pot potato. So these are little potatoes that you will put in the card to get your discount. And I know I said football before. And then this one is just to remind you for nail polish, so I can use these when I make my nail appointments. And then because I am trying to be on my little fitness journey, I thought these would be cute to put in my planner. And you know, these ones we all dread. Well, no, is this she's on a yoga mat. I thought she was weighing herself because I know I hate weighing myself. And then the last one is the Hobonichi emoji. And then it has like the cousin and the weeks. And then for some of you guys that like to do the watercolors in your Hobonichis, you have this little cute one right here. This one looks like my Hobonichi because I have the ivory color one. So cute. She got all the different colors. She got the black, the strawberry, the ivory, the denim, and another strawberry. All right, so this next order is from the pre-sale from Simply Gilded, and yes, I did order a lot. This was my first pre-sale that I participated in, and I'm so excited to see what's all in here because I totally forgot. All right, so she always sends a postcard anytime she does her orders, and this one actually came from her previous kit, I believe. So I guess she just had plenty of these left over and she included this, but this has the gingham print on there. And then of course she always gives you some type of bow anytime you do an order. So I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to let you know which one is which. So this is the 10 and 15 millimeter 10 and 15 millimeter, and this is the earthy pink with the coppery rose gold bows. I'm not going to take them out the plastic because it'll take too much time. Then these next ones are the white 10 and 15 with the hollow bow on there. And I really wanted to get colors that were neutral and basic because I didn't have some of those different types of colors. The next one is the emerald green, and this is the 10 and the 15 millimeter. And this has the coppery rose gold bow on there as well, just like this one. So the next one, because I really wanted some black washi, I really want some red washi too, but she doesn't have any in her shop. But this is the black washi with this silver hollow. And then I thought this one was super cute. This is the black and white with the gold bows on it. And this is the Bold Pop Mini Vertical. And they have the rose gold bows on there as well. And I thought this color would be perfect. And plus, it matched these two sets that I have here. That way, if I wanted to use some of this washi, I could. And this is 4 by 5 millimeter, but we're going to just call it 5 millimeter. That way, my mind can always remember 5, 10, 15. So this is my all of my washi that I got from Simply Gilded's pre-sale. And this is some Hobonichi stickers. As y'all know, I am in love with my Hobonichi. I'm so glad I decided to jump down that rabbit's hole. All right, so this is actually I got some stuff from her previously that I actually printed, but I was having a hard time printing and cutting. And I just got frustrated, so I was just like, you know, I'll just go ahead and buy it until I can get my silhouette to work for me. And if any of y'all have any tutorial videos, because my stuff just ain't cutting right, I could use some help. So let's go over these first. So these are the little box sticky note stickers with the little bow header on there. So cute. And I love these perfectly square, or even though it has a little page flipped up, but I like these square ones because I like to put them in that side part next to the binding on that right hand page. And then I just got an extra one because, you know, you don't want to run out. Then I have the, which in the TN world, these would be considered quarter boxes. So I got a few of these as well because I'm thinking my planner style, I need to continue to kind of marry in my style from my other planners. I was trying to be real simple, but I need a lot of stickers. So anyway, so here are my kits, and I really like these. They are 1 sheet each, I believe. Yeah, are they 1 sheet or are they 2 sheets? Nope, they're 2 sheets. It's just that they're separated. Okay, so they're 2 sheets each, and these are going to work perfect for my life. I tried to plan with just 1 sheet this week, and it was a real struggle because I needed to fill in some spaces. So this is going to save my life. Of course, you know, one of my things it has to have are the date strips. I prefer the strips versus the individual dates. It just makes planning easier for me. This one, with my Hobonichi ones, I don't care whether or not they have date dots because I have plenty of date dots that I can use. Bottom and top washi is a must-have that I am learning for myself. Again, I'm all about, when I buy kits, figuring out what I need to have in those kits. Plenty of checklist stickers, which is amazing. You have enough for each day of the week. Then you have your trackers, which I love. And look at this, y'all. It's a square for a coffee. I love it. Like, these are going to fit perfectly. I think this is going to be my go-to shop. Hopefully, I can definitely get my silhouette working so I can start using the ones that I've already printed. So then you have these ones, and these are so cute. Look at that good vibe. Yeah, and so the reason I ordered these over here, because I noticed in her kits, she has these in there. So if I didn't have enough, I'd have these to fall back on as a backup. So this one is like a beachy theme. Got your soft serve ice cream and your Polaroid photos. And look at that, the little starfish. Well, it looks more like an asterisk, but it has a starfish kind of look to it. And you know I'm loving anything that has coffee. Look at her little laundry. So these will go cute with all of my little tiny and emoji stickers that I have. Then this is the last kit that I got from her. And this is, I probably say, I'm not going to say it's my favorite. I take that back. All of them are my favorite. But because it has like the lavender, pink kind of tones to it, it's like marrying my two favorite colors, my Life Before planner color and my planner colors, because y'all know I like anything purple. And then when I joined this planner community, something about pinks I've just been gravitating towards. So yeah, so this is the other kit. So all of these are from Ashley Ann Lays or Laws. I'm not going to say it wrong. The name on the envelope was something different, but I'll make sure I'll link the shop's names to all of these shops. All right, so this next one is from Shop LCA or Let's Sync Out, in which you guys know I do PR for her. She does now have these new cards that come in her all of her Happy Mail, and I think I showed this on my Instamail videos, but I haven't showed them here. But on the card it has the signature doll, which is Chloe, and Chloe is a crochet doll that she made by her hand. So that's why the image looks like this. I know some people were asking that it come in different skin tones, but this doll does not, simply because this is an inspiration of a doll that she made like legit with her own hands. So yeah, so this is the little quote, be your own kind of beautiful. And then on the back she has all of her social media, as well as a little thank you for your purchase at the top. So I've showed these before, but these are so cute. Want to show them again. So these are some of her Diva doll stickers, and she has her little Starbucks coffee with her ripped jeans. And then you have which one is this one? I always forget her name. She names all of her stickers and I totally always forget them. But I wanted more red stickers because I'm trying to build some bolder colors in my collection. So I definitely had to get these girls. And I love her. Look at her. She's just like, I am fierce and curvaceous. Yes. I like a good sticker that's showing the thick sister some love. And just to let you know, her Diva dolls do come in different shades and hair colors. So this is one of the newest things that she's offering now. She's offering mini kits instead of the full kits. So you get the mini kit, and then you have a couple of accessory pages that you can add to them. And let's see if I have my paper. Okay, I'm not sure if I got any of the add-on ones or not, but let's go over this. So you get 4 deco stickers, and look how cute these are. And they come in different skin tones. I believe there are 4 different skin tones. Then you have your fun deco sheet. And these are all cute little stickers. And look at the Simply Gilded washi. So cute. Like, the quality is amazing on these stickers. I mean, if you could feel it, if it had feel-o-vision, they feel so good. So then this is your functional sheet, which has your to-do and today headers, along with some half boxes, bill due. And then this has some of the scripts that she currently offers in her shop. She has this, the no screen, laundry day, grocery, payday. So these are a little sampler of some of the new scripts that she have in her shop. And then this sold me. Bows and coffee. I'm sold. So then this is again another functional sheet. You got your quarter boxes. You have 2 half boxes in which they have the deco that's faded out, but you can still write over these. And then you have your 3 checklist half box stickers. And then lastly, you have your date covers along with your checklist flag stickers. And these are all 4 hearts. Then you have a couple of icons here with the little paper clips. All right, so these are a few of the script stickers that I've gotten. Since then, she's added more scripts. So I'm waiting for her to add a couple of more script stickers because, you know, because I'm a PR girl, I kind of get the plug. So I know in advance what stickers are coming out. So I do plan on doing another video showing the rest of her scripts. but I love this font. I don't know what font it is, but I absolutely love it. This one says scriptures, in which this is perfect for me tracking my reading plan, because Lisa Mack of Planning and Praying and myself, we are Mary and Martha plans, and these will go great to remind us of the days that we need to write scriptures or even create a scripture plan. These are the no spins, in which it's kind of an oxymoron. I'm spending money to buy no spin stickers, but one day I will get some use out of these. And I absolutely love these don't forget stickers. And then because I want to start doing a little more unplugging, I got these stickers to remind me of the days I need to unplug. All right, love. So this is all of my happy mail that I got for today. You know, I love sharing because a lot of times in this community, especially if you are a newbie, you don't know what shops to go to. You don't know what's out there besides what's just in Michael's, Joann, and Hobby Lobby and those type of things. So it's my responsibility as a content creator and a sister to you in the planner community, not to necessarily enable you and make you spend all of your coins, but just to show you what's out there. Because if I didn't follow other planner babes that was posting things, I wouldn't know about these things. And I always love to pay it forward. So that's why I share my happy mail and my planner hauls with you guys so you can see what's available. I do have a discount code for Shop LCA. So if you shop, you can get 20% off $10 or more. For Simply Gilded, I do have a one-time referral link. So if you've never ordered from her shop before, you can use that referral link, which is also in the description box. And I believe it's 10% or maybe $5 off. It's one of the two, but it's still a savings. These two shops, the Cookie Monsterz Co. If you go to her page, she might have a link, because sometimes in their on their Instagram bios they'll have like a IG friend discount code. So check her link out on Instagram. I do know that she also offers a discount code, which is in her bio on her Instagram page. So I'll make sure I leave the names of these companies in the description box so you can go out there and look to see what they have available. But again, for some of the other shops that if you've never shopped at, I have a lot of shops listed below, along with some discount codes and referral links to give you some savings. Because if I'm going to show you the things, at least I can help you save a little bit on the things. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, so I hope you enjoyed my happy mail haul. I love doing these. It's just I haven't had the time to do them in a while. I've gotten so many things over the past weeks, and I do have lots more that's coming in. So again, check out the description box for the information. And if this has enabled you just a little bit, make sure you share this with your planner friends so they can also be enabled to spend just a little bit of their coins. So until next time, loves, peace. Thank you again for watching Her Lovely Plan, and I hope that you click that subscribe button and that notification bell.